I think they'll notice that they can do more on their yacht or RV. That's really the big driver.
Okay.
Because they have to shut down stuff.
Because someone's got a 100-foot boat doesn't care about 8
No.
cents of electricity.
But they do care about being able to operate their fridge and their freezer and their
Yes.
toaster and their butter
Yeah.
all at the same time.
And they care about their friends going, God, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's what they care about. That's the $100 million question.
One of the best quotes I heard from the RV show was, these things sell with bells and whistles, and you've got a bell and a whistle here, 2 in 1.
Well, I'd love you to come back and show it. So let's just take a minute. Andrew Collier from Kitchenery, 90 seconds again. Tell the audience exactly what this product is and why it's going to change their life. And it's from Tampa, Florida, the University of Tampa, by the way.
Kitchenery is going to fundamentally change how you interact with every single consumer device out there. We're starting in the kitchen space, but I believe that we're going to go to every single device that exists. No more cords. Cords are a thing of the past.
So we're cutting the cord, and this isn't the cable industry. So, Andrew, thank you for coming on.
Absolutely,
To
it was a
Presentation
pleasure.
Hell. I hope the information got out. It was good for you. It was good for me. I learned a lot.
It was fantastic. I think this is the premier podcast in Tampa, and I think a lot of people feel the same way.